Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to public Wi-Fi. Start by navigating to your PlayStation 5 settings menu. From there, select Network, then Settings, and finally set up Internet connection. Choose Use Wi-Fi and then the Easy Setup option. This will allow your console to scan for available wireless networks. We'll then proceed to the next crucial step to get you online quickly and efficiently. Once your PlayStation 5 scans for networks, select the public Wi-Fi you wish to join. The console will try to connect, but it will likely encounter an error because public networks often require a browser-based login. Don't worry, this is expected. Your PlayStation 5 should automatically open a web browser, directing you to the public Wi-Fi's login portal. In the newly opened web browser, you will see the public Wi-Fi's login page. Carefully follow the instructions provided. This might involve entering a room number, an email address, or accepting specific terms and conditions. Once you have successfully completed these steps and authenticated your connection, the browser should indicate that you are now online. After successfully logging in through the browser, simply close the web browser application. Your PlayStation 5 should now be fully connected to the public Wi-Fi network, allowing you to access online features and games. If you encounter any persistent connection issues, a quick restart of your PlayStation 5 often resolves minor glitches. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.